What it do, y'all? Back with a new vlog. So before I start this thing, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, as well as checking out the IG sponsor link down below. So where is it? Bam, right there inside this box is my diffuser, and we're gonna install it on James's bike. I'm just kidding. Waiting for James so he can ride over to you know, the boy Steven and get it started. Hey! Oh, I know this happened. Oh!
I know, this is kind of cool. Oh, these are all three of them?
Diffuser, some assembly required.
What's like the material on this?
Oh, what the?
Metal.
Oh, metal.
I'm just saying it's not metal.
Yeah, dude, this is baller, dude. This is, look, can't you tell this is like carbon fiber?
Yeah, dude.
I'm like used to seeing like the carbon fiber weave, so that's why I asked.
It's not carbon fiber.
Someone died?
No, there were a piece of wood on the way to the US 26. It was like lying randomly in the middle of the road, and then I couldn't like swerve in time, so like.
Did you run over it?
Yeah. The splitter hit it, and then it go kung kung, and then my car ran over it. The silver lining is that now I know me and Steven installed the splitter really good, because the splitter was in like
didn't fall off.
Yeah, it was in
good.
perfect shape, bro. It didn't even like got like dented or whatever. It just like there.
That's amazing.
This splitter requires some assembly. We're just test fitting it. If we were to assemble this splitter correctly, it's gonna be too small for the factory splitter right here. So I'm just gonna make it wider. Just go from end to end, right there. Only problem is that this thing is in the way, so I need to make a hole right there for it.
50 hours though.
And I was thinking of using this right here. I don't know if it's too savage or what. So I cut the hole. It's more like a slot. Cut this little slot for the chassis piece right here. So I'm gonna have to find a way to put this on. It's gonna be tough, but we'll get it done. This is a little mock-up for the diffuser.
Not too shabby looking.
I'm about to put it on real quick, and by that I mean drill it in. Hey Steven, how's the drill's battery going? Shit, man, I'm trying to fucking drill this thing in, man.
You can use it.
Is this drillable?
Hey, Michael.
Is there enough power to drill? Test it. Oh shit.
Eat all this Tic Tac. That's how funny. How much were those?
Only like just sweetie as much as you want.
They're probably not something we should eat, right?
Go ahead.
I'm not sure because like my mom is close to like his mom.
I think it's on pretty good. We actually made a universal fit product fit. Kind of.
Yeah, no, not too bad.
But it's on pretty good, so it's not gonna fly off.
How much did you pay for this diffuser, Alvin?
What?
How much did you pay for this diffuser?
600. I'm just kidding. No, it's like 50 bucks. There is one tailor-made for my car, but it's like around 400 something.
I know.
But the thing is, they don't ship it to the lower 48 states. You have to go to California to pick it up, or if you're lucky and you live in Alaska and you order it, they ship it to Alaska.
Oh.
That's really weird.
Yeah, really weird.
I know, like what the fuck, man. Before I lower this down, just a quick recap of what we did. This is a universal fit bumper, diffuser. So it's not gonna fit most car, but I kind of make it work for mine. So for the middle portion, I cut a groove so one of the chassis piece can go through it. Didn't want to cut a big hole there. It's totally fine. After that, we just mock it up, kind of tape it onto the bottom side of the car, and then adjust it as needed, and then I just bolt it on right here, an extra screw right here, the middle port, and then for the side portion we had James. Thank you, James.
Oh, what's up, guys?
For holding it up.
That's no problem.
Yep. Then James just held up the two side portion. We did one at a time, and then I just bolted this on. Make sure it's lining up with the diffuser, and Michael also helped too, lining up the diffuser. Yep, that helped a lot. And this is on pretty good. It's not gonna go anywhere at all.
I'm gonna put this on my DOT6 resume when I apply.
Oh yeah, totally, bro. All right, so this is what it looks like on the ground. Not too shabby. And I like how the center diffuser and the side fin makes a groove for the exhaust tip coming out. It's like I totally planned this out or something. I'm just kidding. I did it. Oh, I mean, this is a universal fit, so it's not gonna be the greatest, but I'm not gonna buy the actual one that fits with mine because it's too much money. And like I told Michael, they don't ship it to the lower 48 state. I would have to go to California.
That's not worth it.
Dang, James, are we doing your bike next, bro?
Yeah. Diffuser on the back.
Yeah. Hey, thank you.
No problem.
Hey, you too, Michael.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's help Steven out here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hey, thanks, bro. Kick it at James's. Any last word?
Last Words by Tupac, the song from his second album.
Ooh, that's a good one too. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Sorry that I didn't film too much for the install on the diffuser because I was busy trying to figure out what to do in terms of making it fit. But
Is that yours?
with that, I'll go ahead and sign out.